The formation process of a tropical cyclone. A journey from disturbance to destructive power. A tropical cyclone, whether it is called a tropical storm, hurricane, or typhoon, is one of the most powerful and terrifying natural phenomena on Earth. They not only showcase the might of nature, but also attest to the complex interaction between the ocean and the atmosphere. The formation of a storm is a sequence of developmental stages, progressing from a minor disturbance to a colossal system with incredible wind speeds and record-breaking rainfall. 1. Initial stage, tropical disturbance. Every storm begins as a tropical disturbance, an unorganized cluster of clouds and thunderstorms over warm ocean waters. To form, the sea surface temperature must be at least 26.5 down to a depth of 50 meters. This high temperature provides the necessary energy for evaporation and convection. This stage typically lacks a clear, defined swirling center and wind speeds are low. Development stage, tropical depression. As the tropical disturbance continues to absorb heat and moisture from the ocean, the thunderstorms become more organized. A low-pressure area begins to form, defining a central circulation. At this point, the system is classified as a tropical depression with sustained winds ranging from 39 to 62 km/h. The clouds start to exhibit a more pronounced spiral pattern around the center. First, the intensification stage, tropical storm. If the tropical depression continues to strengthen, with sustained wind speeds reaching 63 to 118 km/h, it is upgraded to a tropical storm. This is when the storm is officially given a name, e.g. Tropical Storm Boileau. In this stage, the storm's spiral structure becomes much clearer, and an incipient eye may begin to form at the center. Fairpeak stage, hurricane, typhoon, cyclone. When wind speeds exceed 119 km/h, the tropical storm officially becomes a hurricane in the Atlantic and Northeast Pacific, a typhoon in the Northwest Pacific, or a cyclone in the South Pacific and Indian Ocean. This is the strongest and most destructive phase. The storm's eye becomes well-defined and calm, surrounded by the eye wall, the region with the strongest winds and heaviest rainfall. The storm continues to move across the ocean, capable of generating massive waves, storm surges, and extreme wind gusts. The dissipation stage, weakening. A storm begins to weaken and dissipate when it loses its primary energy source, warm water. This occurs when the storm moves over cooler waters, encounters significant wind shear, or makes landfall. As it moves over land, friction and the lack of moisture rapidly degrade its structure. The system eventually breaks down, the wind weakens, and it degrades back into a tropical depression or a remnant low-pressure